I like that one.
Yeah, this GT3 is way better.
This one was my thumbnail before.
Really?
Yeah.
This one's hard too.
Yeah, look at that. Where? Oh, this one. Bro, I seen this GTR before, bro. That bitch is fast. This Hello Kitty. Bro, when I tell you fast, bro. Bro, this shit is fast as fuck. Yes, bro.
I don't remember what an RB is. Actually, RB is the old one. It's a Maserati.
Yeah, look at that one. Forged carbon. Look at the wing.
Forged carbon?
Yes. Even the inside too. On the splitter forged carbon. Damn. Y'all know I do not like G-Wagons, but this is clean. Yeah, cause these more the street cars. Bro, it's my damn dream car right here. Look at that supercharger. I'm gonna get one day. Oh, I'm gonna get one.
And that's crazy. She literally just had a Mustang too. I was trying to tell her about this.
Look at the seats. It's a real dream car right here. It's a real damn. Only thing I'm not a fan of is the wing. I like the Mustang GT wings. Here you go, Bryce. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Probably I don't know. Let's see. Damn, look, the Mach 1. Oh, well, it's D-bad, so I don't know.
Oh, M8 though.
Ooh. I hate drop tops though. The inside hard, damn. That damn truck. That dog about to bite him in the ass. Big ass dog. Oh, look at that. What the hell? Huh? Which one? This? No, these automatic. The CT4 come in manual. he got the sunroof. Yeah, he got it fully loaded. See, I used to like these the best, but then the CT5 grew on me. Now the CT5B look better than the CTS, but the CTSB still hard. I ain't gonna lie, it used to be the CTSB, but now I like the CT5B better. So, pretty much same shit, just newer, to me at least. And now I got it right in that blue. Where? Oh, I see it. Yeah. Yes, bro, right on the street. That's my favorite part of the carbon coffee. When like people be leaving, they do the flybys.
We have a channel called Run the Truck.
Excuse me.
Run the Truck 1320, and then there's Pickle Performance. It's on either one of them.
The Z06. You're the Z06 C8.
This stuff is heck a lot. Wait, did you see that? Have you been there? That red one? It's like a wagon thing.
Where? Oh, yeah.
I did not notice that.
The C6 Corvette. I like the C7s. Them are my favorite. The C7 is that white one right there. Yeah, I do like both, but that's 7 my favorite. Though. Damn, look at this side. Damn. Got the done, yeah. This the one. Oh my God. This shit tough. This shit tough. Bro, this shit is tough. This the exact same color too. Same color, same fucking color. Oh my God. Bro, I want one so bad. Now those are sleepers. No, all these sweet. It might be, I don't know. Now, this my,
Don't they go for like $1 million?
I don't know, but this my supercar dream car.
Same, bro. Literally same. 32 get one?
Yes, bro. Yeah, when it comes to supercars, yeah, this is my dream car for sure. So,
No, I'll probably say that right there. I want that.
the GT3.
That's like the kids like really good.
Oh, the GTR. With the bike? Oh, that's tough. Yeah. Damn. I know. Look at the lip on her. white one coming in. So yeah. This shit tough. Yeah, sure. I ain't gonna lie. Now, that made me like the Cybertruck a lot better. I didn't know it could do that. The car is really dancing. If the door is open, I'ma lose it. Bro, if the fucking door is open, I'ma lose it. I ain't gonna lie.
You the one with the doors come up?
Yeah.
That one be doing that all the time. You be flapping like a dragon and shit.
Yeah. Pushing that damn V6. Yeah, yeah. I seen a lot of them black, actually. It's not bad. Yeah, I know, right?
When you pull out, you had room, but just to be safe.
Yeah, that shit's up. I don't know.
I can't tell.
I'm not sure, actually.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?